We are in Huizhou City. Here is our manufacturing base. Now we are going to the workshop and take a look. Let me show you around our production workshop. We have a well-established quality management system, past ISO 9001-14001 certification. It's our dust-free model workshop. We made LCD backlight model by ourselves. These products are using original panel, brand open cell from BOE AUO LG Essential. The QC is testing the panel quality. Our aging room, take a look. All products undergo a 24-hour aging test before package, strict record indoor temperature standards. Our laboratory. We have a total 3 warehouses. Here is one of our warehouses with 5,000 square meters. Today I will show you around our company, Kontech Group. Here is showroom on the right. Our commercial display include high brightness LCD display, window facing display, digital menu board, waterproof outdoor display essential. We are very good at customized projects. For the specific TVs, we have RV TV, Prism TV, Solar TV, outdoor TV, bathroom mirror TV, kitchen TV, and other TVs for specific scenarios. We also customize monitors for casino gaming machine, ATM, kiosk, vending machine, and so on. Over here is our marketing, e-commerce, and sales department. This is our R&D team, more than 20 engineers of electronics, structure, and backlight support, OEM and ODM projects. Welcome to visit us or contact us now.